It's day 0. I'm going to Japan. So I don't know how to live the last day on Norwegian soil, apparently. I've been mentally packing for at least 48 hours, physically packing for 4.8 hours, I guess. And it doesn't feel right, but it'll be okay. And like, if you have your passport, some pocket change, and I don't know what else do you need, JR pass, I think that's about it. I'll be fine, right? Even though I've now packed things I didn't even know I owned are now packed. So that's what you get. So consider this a warning, Japan. I know we had your struggles with natural disasters, earthquakes, Godzilla. Now the Omega Gaikokujin is coming your way. Whew, watch out. Okay, people of Earth, Chikyu no Hitobito. This is Norwegian Sargoth signing off, and I'm off to Japan. See you there. Peace. Actually, before you go, there's one thing I have to show you. And it is just so dumb, I can't even fathom how it's happened. But take a look at this. This is luggage. And in my infinite wisdom, I have packed this suitcase and this bag, which should be fine, but the wisdom doesn't end there. No, because I have made a babushka suitcase for some reason, which is, you know, highly pregnant. And this is my plan. I'm bringing this, and that's somehow gonna make sense. Okay, we'll try. I'm sure the infinite wisdom comes from somewhere and has some value, right?